It's amazing what a little heat and a couple of pieces of PVC that fit well together and have enough space for the plastic to stretch. Check this out. That's the indent. And that's the part where I'll mount it. So what I could do is do two of them, one there, one there. But I think that was a success. And that was just an attempt before I actually do it on my mount. So now I know how to mount it. I'll probably stick a washer in there anyway just for support, but for that matter, I can make washers out of this and then put them in there. Anyway, I've got the idea now. One thing happened was I had this flush to the end, and when I started shoving it in, this kind of came back a little bit, which actually made it have like a little two-step thing in there, which is pretty good. And it looks good on the outside. Good job, Manny. Good job.